So, you want to retire back in the Philippines and build your retirement home here, but you're not looking for a big lot. You want something that's just right and easier to maintain. Here in Solen Residences, you can achieve exactly that. Hi everyone, it's Earl the Dynamic Realtor, and we're here on episode 2 of our Greenfield series where I'm showing you something green. So this is Solen Residences, and for those of you who are looking for lots that are not that big, so I believe this is a great fit for you because if some of you have been watching my previous series, so in the past 6 weeks, I focused on Ayala series, and there I featured bigger lots. So from 275 square meters all the way up to 1,500 plus square meters. But if you're the type of buyer that is after the community itself, so hindi mo kailangan ng malaking bahay, you don't need a mansion. So you just need to secure a place where you can see yourself retiring, or a place where your family na nakikita mo na you can grow and thrive here, or an environment where you can watch your kids grow and they can spend their teenage years, then this could be a really great match for your family. So why do my clients love Solen Residences? So 3 things. First, this is really in Santa Rosa, Laguna, so you have that most coveted Santa Rosa address. It's a highly sought after address here in the south because this is the Lion City of South Luzon. So sobrang lapit mo lang sa lahat, highly accessible. You're just 5 minutes away from Eton exit. Di ka na pupunta sa Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, direct access ka na. Plus, you can also take Galax if you want, Laguna Boulevard. And if you look at the map, so, ang lapit mo lang sa Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, that is considered as the main commercial strip or yung parang center of Metro Santa Rosa. So, andyan na sa hilera na yan, si Ayala Malls New Valley, SNR, Landers, Vista Mall, and of course, Greenfield's very own Paseo de Santa Rosa. And of course, its expansion or extension malls like Arcadia and Laguna Central. What I really like about this as a resident of Metro Santa Rosa is that you can choose kung saan grocery store ka mamimili. You will have your favorites. Aside from Landers and SNR, we also have South Supermarket, we have Landmark, Robinson Supermarket, we have Shopwise, and meron din ditong Wet Market. So would you believe it? For some of you, for sure hindi nyo pa ito nakita, but this is hidden. Discreet lang ito, kaya maaliwalas pa rin siya. There's a Wet Market inside Paseo itself, sa hilera ng Arcadia. Here, you can buy fresh meat, vegetables, fruits, and even fish. So, hindi lang frozen goods yung pwede mong mabili here. And of course, the number 1 priority for retirees and families is immediate access to healthcare because right here inside Greenfield City, andito si The Medical City, South Luzon. In addition to that, my clients also love the fact that this is very near the schools within the area because meron na tayong university belt of the South. So I've shown you the different schools that we have in the area. We have UST Santa Rosa. So this is the nearest village inside UST Santa Rosa. So tapos na yung dalawang buildings nila. And also we have Mapua Malayan College, Laguna. So my alma mater. So we also toured that campus before. If your children aspire to become an engineer, so maraming engineering programs sa Mapua, Laguna. So imagine, if you come to think of it, these schools from Manila, these are the biggest schools in the Philippines. Why would they consider building here in Laguna? So there's a reason why Mapua built their very first campus outside of Manila. And UST, first campus din nila outside of Manila, yung dito sa Santa Rosa. So Mapua, by the way, is just 1 exit away from Eton. So siguro around mga 10 minutes away ka lang, nasa Mapua ka na. So we also have De La Salle University here. So it's in another side, pero malapit lang din siya, around 10 minutes lang din from here. And we have University of the East, Eton, Laguna Campus, which was just, tapos na yung groundbreaking nila just last October 2025. So this is a huge township, 400 hectares siya. So marami pang plano dito si Greenfield Development Corporation. So you can really be confident and you can have peace of mind because this will be a self-sustaining community. Hindi lang lupa binibili mo dito. Even the possibility, the potential, and of course, you're investing in your children's future. And on top of that, you're not only dependent on Greenfield City because that's the beauty of Metro Santa Rosa. That's why we call it Metro Santa Rosa because here, literally concentrated lang in a small area lahat ng biggest developers. So andyan si Ayala, of course, Greenfield, andyan din si Vista Land, andyan si Cathay Land. So tabi-tabi sila dito. So kahit saan ko bumili, basta nakaposisyon ka na sa Santa Rosa, you will really benefit kung ano man yung ginagawa sa kapitbahay or kung ano man tinatayo ng kabilang developer. So kasi these developers, they're like lifting each other up. So naghihilahan sila pataas, no, literally, because lahat naman na tinatayo side by side, left and right. So the residents of the area will really benefit, whether as an end user because yung lifestyle will be improved, and also as an investor because these commercial developments, these universities will really drive value appreciation. Second, so there's abundant greenery here. The community is really gorgeous. As you can see in our drone footage, there's thick, lush greenery spread across the entire community. Nearly half of the village is allotted for open spaces, a huge clubhouse complex, and wide, tree-lined roads. And I believe that's the main reason why retirees from the US and other countries find it irresistible. So they really like the community, the vibe of Solen Residences. So if you look at the amenities, so it's really premium. There's an infinity pool, and at the back of that, maganda yung backdrop. So full of greenery, and kahit matagal na yung Solen, yung old faces niya, well-maintained, makikita natin dito kung paano mag-alaga yung Greenfield. So hindi natin nakikita na dilapidated na yung clubhouse, na parang abandoned na yung ibang houses because families really hold on to their houses, their properties here. It's something that they can really treasure for their family and the generations to come. And they also have a fitness gym inside. So it's quite rare even in other developers. Hindi common yung may gym eh. So meron dong weights, of course, may treadmill. And if you want a full-blown gym, meron namang Anytime Fitness sa Eton. And meron pang dalawang ibang Anytime Fitness sa community. And aside from the main clubhouse complex, there are also scattered pocket parks and view corridors that really make walking in the afternoon or early mornings really nice, whether with your husband, your wife, or even with your dogs. So another unique thing that you can only find in Greenfield developments is semi-underground ang utilities dito. Meaning to say, hindi lahat ng block may Meralco post. So, konting block lang nakascatter yung mga post ng electrical. So, ibig sabihin, yung ibang wirings or electrical utilities or mga cabling ay underground. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Mas ma-appreciate mo ngayon yung nature, yung greenery sa paligid. Walang spaghetti wires. Security-wise, residents have an RFID. So there's a separate lane sa entrance. So dadaan ka if you have or if you don't have an RFID. So it's a really secure community. Third, no spot down payment. So that is really what Greenfield can offer to their clients. So low barrier to entry rin talaga pag kukuha ka ng lote sa Greenfield. Because in other developers, required talaga mag-spot, let's say, 10% or even more. So mahigit 1 million agad yung capital investment mo. So dito, mas mababa talaga yung parang friction or resistance because all you have to do is just secure a lot with a reservation fee and then you will just pay monthly payments na nasa 5 digits lang, hindi aabot ng 6. So how much is a residential lot here in Solen? So I'll show you 2 lots that I recommend. So hindi pa natin makita actual lots, but I will show you the map so that you can see the shape and the size. So number 1, this is a regular inner lot, 150 square meters. The total contract price is 7.7 million. The payment terms is sobrang gaan. 10% na nga, hindi mo pa siya isa spot DP. Spread pa siya for 18 months, isa't kalahating taon. So the reservation fee is 50K. That's the first thing you're gonna pay in order to secure the lot that you want. And para hindi ka na maapektuhan ng mga price increase, after that, ang monthly payment mo na is 40K only for 18 months. So, sobrang gaan, right? Then, yung balance sa 6.9 million. So, you can either pay it in cash or pwede mong i-bank loan. If halimbawang 20 years to pay ang mapili mo or ma-approve sa'yo ng bangko, nasa 53K per month ang monthly amortization mo with an income requirement of around 180K. Then, by the time na nag-a-apply ka na for bank loan, kasabay nun usually yung miscellaneous fees or titling-related expenses nasa around 386K. So, lot number 2, it's a corner lot. So, hindi ko mag-guarantee hanggang kailan pa magkakaroon ng corner. Pero habang meron pa, let's take advantage of it. Hopefully, one of you can get a corner lot because it's really rare. So, yeah, for example, 179 square meters, it's bigger. So, premium lot ito, total price is 10.2 million. Then, 50K lang din yung reservation fee. Ang monthly payment natin is 54,000 per month for 18 months. Ang maganda rito, kahit corner ito, still 10% lang yung down payment. Spread pa rin siya for 1.5 year. Then, after the 18 months, you will now settle the balance of 9.2 million either through cash or bank financing. Kung ilo-loan mo yon, ang magiging monthly amortization mo approximately is around, sabihin natin mga nasa 72,000 per month. Ang income requirement nito is around 240,000. Also, after the 18-month period, you will settle the titling-related expenses of around nasa 500K. Good news, because in Phase 1D, meron silang sariling amenity area. So, you don't have to share with the existing phases of Solen, because magkakaroon din dito ng basketball court or multipurpose court siya actually. Then, meron ding swimming pool, may gazebo, and playground. So you don't have to share, at least talagang minaster plan ng maganda ni Greenfield ito so that all the residents can live in peace and enjoy the open spaces. So how does it work? So medyo kakaiba kasi ang process kay Solen Residences, which other clients love because parang American community daw siya in a way. Because dito, you will buy the lot and then you will have to follow the recommended designs. So kung 150 lupa mo, meron kang more or less mga 5 models to choose from. So hindi naman cookie cutter, hindi exactly the same yung mga bahay sa loob, may variation pa rin tayo. And in-upgrade nila yung designs for Phase 1D, yung mga existing designs sa old phases, in-upgrade nila yon. They made it parang mas modern yung touch niya. So para hindi naman outdated, di ba? So sa community ng Phase 1D, you will really expect na premium talaga yung mga houses and on the same level. So parang merong yung sense of uniformity or conformity inside. So parang walang outlier. But still, you have the freedom to get your own contractor and architect. So you're just gonna have to buy the blueprint for like 100,000. So ang maganda naman dyan, renowned architectural firm ang nag-design ng houses nila, Casa Arquitectura. So you have options. Here are some renders of the model houses you can choose. You have a certain degree of freedom. You can modify to a certain extent. Yung iba, pinapalitan yung color ng bricks, or yung layout, or yung glassworks, steelworks. Basta dapat, facade lang yung gagayahin mo. So medyo kamukha dapat yung facade. Yung gilid, yung likod, and the interior, ikaw na ang masusunod. So what I can really say is Greenfield really thoughtfully master planned this. And talagang tinanggal din nila yung gate. Hindi ka pwede maglagay ng gate or fence dun sa harapan ng bahay mo. So, and imagine more than 10 years na yung old faces ng Solen. Pero, kahit ganon, kita natin na very secure pa rin yung community. And parang sa US, di ba? Wala talagang gates doon. And sobrang ganda lang ng vibe. I don't think I need to expand further. Makikita nyo naman sa mga videos namin that the vibe and the community really speaks for itself. Para ma-appreciate nyo, puntahan natin saan ba banda located si Phase 1C and Phase 1D. So, hindi pa natin makita yung actual 1D. So, dun muna tayo sa 1C. So, come on, let's go! So, ngayon, nandito tayo sa boundary ng Phase 1, yung old phase, and Phase 1C. So, pag diniretso mo pa to, dun yung phase 1D. So sa ngayon, may pader between 1D and 1C. Pero ganun lang din yung nangyari before, nung bago pa to si phase 1C. So dati, meron ding perimeter wall separating the old and the new phases, but then giniba rin naman nila eventually. Ganun din yung gagawin nila sa phase 1D. Sa ngayon lang siya naka-separate. So kung titignan nyo yung drone footage, no, parang may wall between these two new phases, but it will just be seamlessly connected all together. So, dun banda yung gate, dun tayo galing, kasi yun palang yung access point na meron, si 1C and 1D. But eventually, later on, as you can see here, so they will establish a new gate in phase 1D. Mas malapit ka pa ngayon sa Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road because direct access na siya ngayon. They will have an access road directly going to Solen. Phase 1D. Since hindi pa natin makita si Phase 1D ngayon because ongoing land development pa, as you can see on our drone footage, fresh na fresh, raw, talagang ginagawa pa lang ang Phase 1D. So it's really a good timing. We're here now in Phase 1C. So this has been recently, almost turned over na siya. Recently completed lang yung mga roads natin. You can clearly see na maaliwalas yung community. And even yung mga previous phases, older phases natin, kahit matagal na sila, phase 1, phase 2, mga over 10 years na yan, pero hindi pa rin napupuno ng house dito. So maraming open spaces. Yung iba kasi, they don't want to build yet. They just want to hold their property and take advantage of the value appreciation. So that's the beauty of a community na walang, technically walang house and lot na binibenta rito. Puro lot only. So for retirees, families who are looking to get away from the hustle and bustle of Metro Manila and who want to have, a wider space to breathe in and to grow and to thrive, this really is a great fit for you. So ang mga lot sizes natin dito sa phase 1C and 1D ay between 150 square meters to around 200 square meters. Dito nga lang sa 1C because 2 years ago pa to ni-launch. So almost sold out na tayo. Meron na lang iilan-ilan na mga magagandang lots na available na ma-recommend ko na was 170-ish. Pero kung gusto mo mas marami ka pang options sa phase 1D, so mas marami pa tayong magagandang lots doon na mapagpipilian. So meron tayong mga medyo nakadikit kay phase 1C. Meron din tayong mga inner lots and meron pa tayong mga corner lots. So that has been our Solen updates. If you want to see the best options that you have here, or dahil hindi pa natin makita yung phase 1D, if you want to see the community and the amenities, how it feels like to live here in Solen Residences, please don't hesitate to contact me on this mobile number. That's also my Viber and WhatsApp. And I'll be happy to show you, as a resident of Metro South, I can really say na maganda talaga yung lifestyle dito. Whether galing ka sa ibang bansa or galing ka sa Metro Manila, this will really feel like a sanctuary. Because the environment that this provides is really different from the top of mind. So pag naisip natin yung Pilipinas, ibang-iba talaga ang na-offer ng Greenfield City and ng Rising South or Metro Santa Rosa in general. And the process is seamless even if you're based abroad. So madali lang naman. So you just have to appoint an AIF or attorney in fact para sa special power of attorney. Then manipis lang or konti lang yung requirements na kailangan ni Greenfield para ma-process natin yung reservation and for you to secure your lot bago pa man maging ganito ang itsura ng phase 1D. So imagine, isa ka sa mga lot owners in that newly opened phase. So that means you have a first mover advantage. Isa ka sa mga nakapili ng mga gandang lote sa umpisa pa lang. So yeah, I hope you'll be one of the first lot owners in Solen Phase 1D dahil marami pa tayong aabangan dito sa master plan ng Greenfield. So because 400 hectares yung buong estate, so in the future, 10 years from now or 20 years from now, so magugulat na lang tayo ang presyo dito sa Metro Santa Rosa, parang alabang na. So be sure you're subscribed because next week, i-feature natin yung last episode for Greenfield series, which is the luxury segment of Greenfield. So if you want a bigger lot naman, pero Santa Rosa pa din yung address mo, Trava is the solution. So they offer 550 square meters up to 750 square meters. So kung ganun yung hanap mo and still nandito ka pa rin sa city center itself and flat terrain lang din siya. So I think that could also be a great fit for you. Once again, this is Earl, the Dynamic Realtor, showing you premium properties you deserve.